everyone, I am Vanshika and I'm so glad to have you on my channel today. So please take a moment to hit the subscribe button as it would mean a lot to me. In today's video, we'll be setting up our journal for the month of August. So for this month, I have chosen the theme to be rainy season as this is the season of rains, so I thought that monsoon would be the perfect theme. As you can see, I have already made the front page of it and on the left side I have already made the monthly goals page. For the monthly goals page, I have made these cloud shapes in which I'll be writing my goals for the month. Moving on to the next page, which is going to be a monthly overview page. I have already sketched out this calendar and now I'll just use a fine liner pen to give the refining. I have used cloud shapes to title the days of the week and raindrops as dividers for the monthly overview calendar. Using some dotted lines, I have made the horizontal dividers. Also using a black gel pen, I have given the dates. Now moving for the title of the page, I have used the same pen for the title. As you might have noticed that my calligraphy is not very clean this time because the tip of my brush pen is very frayed and it is not doing the job properly at all, as you can see. Moving on to the section of important days and major goals, I wanted to give it a rainbow element. So for that, I'll be using Camlin brush pens in different colors. So I began with drawing strokes of colors of following the Vibgyor pattern, but only for 6 of them, as the number of alphabets in the word August is 6. And then using the same color, I headed it with this, as you can see. Now it seems like that the color is dripping out of the words, and I'm super proud of how it turned out actually. And then drawing clouds among these, I'll be titling it as important days and events and major goals. This looks really fun and beautiful. Moving on to the next page, which is going to be a morning routine page. So I just doodled cloud and a sun randomly for this morning routine title. Then just normally use normal black pen to give the title. After that, I drew these lines as you can see and added a drop down shadow to the box. I have separated in various columns of time as I want to get a fixed routine, but every day my routine could be different. After coloring the 7 days of the week with 7 colors of the rainbow, this is how this page turned out. Moving on to the next page, which is going to be a monthly playlist and a movie section page. For that, I drew an umbrella to go with the monsoon theme. In these sections, I'll be writing the names of the movies and the songs that I like that month. And to go with the page on the right, I made these handles in rainbow colors so that it goes well with the pages. Gave it a simple title and then added some raindrops with blue color, and both our pages are ready. Turning over, the next page is going to be a brain dump page. I rather kept this page very simple in contrast with the other pages that I made. I just used some clowns and some wind and added a title, and that's all for this page because this page is always including a lot of it. The next page that I added this month is a sleep log page. As I'm trying to improve my sleep cycle, I decided to add this page. Giving it a simple title and creating some clouds and giving hints of colors. This is how I made the title. And then now I'll be outlining all the details. After outlining it with a black pen, this is what it looks like. I have mentioned the time in PM, AM and all the dates and days of the month. Now I'll be showing you how to use it. Suppose on a particular date I slept from this time duration. So I'll be marking it like this using a blue pen or any pen that I want. Just like this. So this way I'll be able to track my sleep cycle and improve it. Now to aid with other habits, we have a habit tracker. You can get as creative as you want with the titles and always try new things. This time I tried a different style of title, as you can see. drew some strokes with the blue brush pen and then added outlines of the alphabets using a black pen. I think this turned out to be pretty cute, and then this time I tried to keep my trackers rather simpler. Just created some boxes and then circles which I'll fill in if I do a particular activity on that day. Now I'll do as same for rest of the boxes as well. Now both of our pages are ready and this is what it will look like. Moving on to the next page, which is going to be a mood tracker page. It is always a good habit to track your moods, as you may know that what you like to do and how your days went, also a good way to look back onto the time. So here is how I decided to make the title for this page. This was a very nice title that I had decided to do and I really liked it. Drew some clouds and drew some raindrops falling from the cloud and then a rather simpler tracker title. Now giving some hints of color to the crowd and then I'll be doing the title using a blue brush pen. Decided to go a little off track with the black marker to give it a little quirky effect. Now I'll be outlining all the raindrops that I made that I'll be coloring in according with the key which I'll be making at the last. This is how I've made the key and then giving all the final details. So this page is absolutely ready now. Moving on to the next page, it is a gratitude everyday page. For this page I drew a cloud and a rainbow as it gives very positive vibes and we should be grateful for whatever we have, and also writing down whatever you're grateful for each day will definitely give you a positive start for the day or a positive end as well. I'll be scribbling around this page randomly each day about what I'm grateful for. Moving next on to the weekly overview pages. This time I have created some cloud shapes to write the to-do list and a rather simpler title. I decided that this time the pages should be rather simpler. As you can see, I have went very simple with the titles. We'll just outline the clouds and with blue pen I'll be outlining the remaining boxes where I'll be writing how my day went at the end of the day. So yes, I repeated this process for all of these and then this is what we'll do for all the weeks. Moving on to the next week 2 page, as you can see I have added weekly goals tab on the start of each week. You can do that too. So this is how I have completed all the weeks. Now moving on to the last page of the month. It is going to be a monthly review page. On this page we are going to review our month entirely in our page. On this page, we'll be asking ourselves questions that we think are necessary. You can take help of the questions that I am writing, or you can write whatever you think are necessary for you to answer and question yourself and know how you can make your upcoming months better and improve yourself. Now I'm just going to add a motivating quote on the right side of this page. Obviously it had to incline with the theme of rain. So yeah, that is what I have written a quote about. After giving the final touches, our setup is absolutely ready. So here's a flip through the entire setup of this month. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.